Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how you can play Windows games on your Mac, or from any other device. First, you need to open your web browser and search for GeForce Now. It should be the top link, but just in case, I'll leave a link in the description below. NVIDIA GeForce Now is a cloud gaming service that lets you remotely connect to a high-end gaming PC and control it with your Mac. Go ahead and click the Join Now button in the top right corner. You'll see a few membership options. We're going to use the free membership for this tutorial, but you can always upgrade if you want. Click Join under the free tier. Now, follow the steps to create your NVIDIA account. Once you've created your account, go back to the previous homepage. Scroll down to Get Started, and click the Download button next to Get GeForce Now. This will take you to the download page and prompt you to launch GeForce Now in your browser. While you can stream games in your browser, I recommend downloading the application to your Mac because it's more reliable. Scroll down to where it says Mac and click Download. Choose where to save the installer. I'm saving it to my desktop. Now that the installer is downloaded, open it. A window will pop up. Drag the GeForce Now logo into the Applications folder. After that, you can close the window and delete the installer. Next, open Spotlight or Search and type GeForce Now to open the application. Once the GeForce Now app opens, click Agree and Continue, and then Get In. This will open your web browser and ask you to log in to the account you just created. If we switch back to the GeForce Now application, you'll see you're logged in. To access games you already own on your Windows computer, click Connect to your store accounts. From here, connect your store account. I'm connecting my Steam library. Click the Connect button, which will open your web browser and prompt you to log into your Steam account and connect it to your GeForce Now account. Once you've done that, click the hamburger menu in the top left corner and then click Games. You should now see your Steam account connected to your GeForce Now account. Keep in mind that not all games are available on GeForce Now, so you might not see every game from your Steam library. But the library is constantly being updated, so your game might be available in the future. To play Windows games on your Mac, simply hover over a game and click the play button. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tricks.